Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Katie's World. And let's start day 1 part 2 of exploring Strasbourg, the capital of Christmas. So guys, our next stop is this bridge. This bridge is exactly located beside the museum and it's known as Barrage Vauban or Vauban Dam. This bridge is open from 9 am to 7:30 pm and access to the terrace is free. You can view the Pont Corbet bridges and Petit France Quarter from the terrace. This bridge and this place look spectacular at night, so do not forget to visit it at night also. Do not forget to grab a map of the Christmas market from your hotel reception or from the tourism office of Strasbourg, or you can visit their website which is mentioned below. कर 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 काहीतरी आहे काही नाही तर चल करते करते काय हा बघूया काय करते. अच्छा अरे बापरे बघ ही ती गेली. उलटनं जाते तशी जाते. काय करून देत ना मला. चला घर बंद करा. रात्र झाली. To enjoy this Christmas market in Strasbourg, you may plan your visits in the weekdays. Avoid visiting in weekends because it's very crowded during the weekends. As you can see currently, this place is not at all crowded because we visited it in weekday. There are many restaurants and takeaway places where you can easily grab your lunch or dinner and enjoy the view. चांगलं वाटतं ना.
आणि दिलंय पण चांगलं प्रेझेंटेशन चांगलं आहे पण
टेस्टला चांगलं वाटतं ते.
खायचं चांगलं आहे खरंच चांगलं
नाही खातो.
उद्या खाशील
नाही. So guys, if you're visiting any Christmas market, then must try this Christmas food. These are some breads which are being prepared during Christmas. These are nut breads which are similar to a cake, a chewy cake you can say, and the other are bread with spices. So these are also delicious, and the other one which are white in colors are known as nugget, which are nut bread. It is extremely chewy, sticky and gets stuck in your teeth. It is similar to some chocolate candy bar, and so you can try it once and enjoy it during your Christmas market visit. कसं आहे ते? मजा आली? अरे चांगलं वाटलं की नाही?
ठीक आहे.
ठीक आहे. आपल्या इथे बुलंजरीमध्ये चांगलं बनवतात ना, असं म्हणायचं असेल ना तुला? तू ठरवलं आता मी बोलणारच नाही. Now our next stop is the Strasbourg Cathedral, also known as Cathedral Notre Dame de Strasbourg. It is the oldest Gothic cathedral in the world. Today it is the sixth tallest church. The cathedral indeed looked very huge and splendorous from outside. Let us have an inside view. Do check out the cathedral opening and closing timing before your visit. This cathedral has the three architectural masterpieces. The first one is the highest spire of Christianity. Spire meaning a tapering conical or pyramidal structure on the top of a church or a cathedral's tower that is known as spire. The second one is the large rose window on the main facade above the entrance. The third one is the astronomical clock. Every day at 12:30 p.m. precisely, the automaton's animations begins and present the different ages of life and the parade of the apostle before Christ. Although the entrance to the cathedral is free, but the access to the platform will cost you 8 euros. After an ascent of exactly 332 steps in spiral staircase, you will have the privilege of contemplating the city from the cathedral's roof.
अरे ती सेफ बोट आहे ही. देख ही सेफ बोट आहे. आवाज काढ. तेच आहे. बघायचं का आवाज काढून.
After visiting the beautiful streets of Strasbourg, we visited the place Kleber. It's the Strasbourg's main public square in Grand Ile. You can admire the huge Christmas tree during the Christmas time. After this, we took some pictures with the Strasbourg Gate and then we headed to our dinner, which was at Shahi Pakwan restaurant. It was an amazing restaurant. I will share you the photos and the address of this restaurant over here. You can see the plating was amazing and the food tasted very nice and delicious. So do visit this place if you are in Strasbourg and have this amazing meal. Also, you can see the night view of the bridge and the will. So thank you for joining me today. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye bye.